the convenience that it provides is that wherever you are, okay, Clement has just demonstrated that seated there, whether you're at home, whether you're in your office, it doesn't matter where you are, whether you're at a party, you can actually open up an account. So you can get your friends, your relatives to open up accounts wherever you are, and you will do that very, very successfully. Clement has just demonstrated that. The other thing, and as I&M Bank, we are very, very cognizant of the challenges of destroying our environment. We only have one environment, okay? That is where we live today. And remember, we need to preserve it, we need to conserve it for our children and our children's children. You're all aware that the old method
Clement has done is he has opened up a fully fledged banking account from the application that is attached to the account. He can make international transfers, RTGS payments, inter-account payments within bank, outside of the bank, in local currency, in foreign currency. Once he's opened that account, he has the ability again in the application to apply for additional accounts. If he needs a US dollar account, a sterling account, euro account, he's able to open them in his application. So he is now a fully fledged account holder, and he hasn't even left the comfort of the chair. He's continued to do his reporting for his publication, and his bank account is opened. And Clement, how much time did it take you? 5 minutes? I think even less than that. But we can still test. What we're going to do is, once we've done here, when we finish the Q&A session, we're going to move over to our digital pod and demonstrate the deposit of the funds directly into his account using our deposit machine.
So it's authenticated through a secure code. So there is multiple levels of authentication. So somebody cannot just get access, say, of your account number and be able to transact. So we have put things like password, usernames, passwords, one-time pins, verification of the mobile device that is being used, the location. That is just on your side of the device. But also at the bank level and the network level, there are a couple of tools that we use to monitor these transactions, to monitor there is nothing suspicious that is happening.